Hello students, welcome back to IGCSE Fingertips. Today we are going to solve 058023 MJ22. Let's get started. Question number 1. The probability of picking a red sweet from a bag is 0.05. Find the probability of not picking a red sweet. Obviously not picking a red sweet is 1 minus 0.05, which is 0.95. Next, work out the value of m into k cube upon root 3, where m is 4 and k is 7. Okay, so let me substitute m as 4, k is 7 cube divided by root 3. So we have 4 into 7 cube divided by root 3, which is 792.12. 792.12. Next question. PQRS is a quadrilateral where RST is a straight line. Find the angle PST. Okay. So guys, as we know, this is a quadrilateral. So sum of all angles will be 360. So first, let us find this angle, which is nothing but 360 minus 73 plus 129 plus 75. So we have 73 plus 129 plus 75, and 360 minus answer is 83. So this is 83. Now if this is 83 and this is a straight line, so angle PST will be 180 minus 83, which is 97. So the answer to this question is 97 degrees. Right? Just let me write it here. 97 degrees. Let us move to the next question. Next question states, these are the masses of 12 parcels. Okay. Complete the stem and leaf diagram for the 12 parcels. Okay. So this is 0.3, 0.4. Then we have, I think we have 0.7, 0.8. So I'll write 7 and 8. Now I have 1.1, 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2. Then we have 1, 1, 2 done. Then we have 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Then I think we have 1 and 3. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think one more is, I've left one more data. 0.3, 0.4, 1.2, 0.8, 1.1, 2.1, 1.7, 1.8, 1.2 is repeated twice. Okay. So this is 2, 7 and 8. Then we have 2.3, yes, 0.7, yes, and 1.1 is also twice, yes. Now we are supposed to find median. So now as we know guys, the number of observations are 12, which is even number of observation. So obviously the median is 12 divided by 2, which is 6 observation and average of 7th observation. So average of 6th and 7th observation will give us median. So which is 6th observation, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have median is 1.1 plus 1.2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observation is 1.1 and 7th is 1.2 divided by 2. So now the median becomes 1.15. Right? So median becomes 1.15. Next question. The nth term of a sequence is n square minus 1. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. Okay. So for the first 3 terms, what we'll substitute? We'll substitute n as 1. So when n is 1, so we have 1 square minus 1, which is 1. Sorry, 0, not 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then if I have n is 2, 2 square, 4 minus 1, 3. N is 3. 3 square is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Next, simplify. Okay. So we have y power 3 divided by y power 5. So as we know, we can write this as y power 3 minus 5, which is y power minus 2. Next, we have 7 into x power 0. We know guys, any number raised to 0 is 1. So x power 0 is 1 and 1 into 7 is 7. Right? Next question. The diagram shows the number of visitors and the total amount spent in thousands of dollars on a zoo on each of the 8 days. Okay. One of the 8 days, there are 410 visitors. Find the amount spent by visitors during this day. So, on a particular day, there are 410 visitors. So, let's say this is 400 and this is 410, right? So, we have 410 visitors. So, on that day, the amount spent is, I think, $27,000. The amount spent is $27,000. $27,000. Next, we have number of visitors is 175 and the amount spent is $9. Okay. Now we are supposed to plot this on scatter diagram and we are supposed to draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. So I think I have already covered both the points and I have also drawn the line of best fit. See, at 175 we had 9, so this is the point. This is the point where x is 175 and y is 200, and this is the line of best fit. Now the next question was, on the 10th day the amount spent is $22,000. Find estimate the number of visitors on that day. So the amount spent was $22,000, right? See guys, this is the amount of $22,000. So the number of visitors, I have just estimated it using a line of best fit. The number of visitors comes out to be around 320. So we are assuming that we had 320 visitors on that day. On 10th day, we had 320 visitors. Let us move to the next question. Without using a calculator, workout. Okay, so we have 2 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. So let us convert into multiplication. So 3 2s are 3, 3s are 2 2s are 4, 4 by 15. So the answer is 4 by 15. Next, convert 300 meter per hour into kilometer per hour. Okay, meter per minute into kilometer per hour. Okay, so guys, we already know 1 meter is 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we'll have to divide it by 1 upon 1000. And minute into hour, right? We know 1 hour is 60 minutes, and this is right. This is meter per minute. So minute is already in denominator. So if we want to convert meter into hour, we'll have to divide this by 60, right? We'll have to divide this by 60. So this will be something like this, into 1 upon 1 divided by 60, right? So this becomes 300 into 60 divided by 1000, right? So 0 0 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. I have 18 km per hour as the final answer. Next question, find n of a intersection b dash. N means the number of elements, in a intersection b. So a intersection b is 33, right? Dash of that means those points which does not include this a intersection b, which is 25 plus 12 plus 3. 25 plus 12 plus 3, which is 40, right? 40 is the answer. Next question, angle ABC, DF and GHK are triangles with all vertices on the circumference of a circle. Okay. From the list, draw a ring around a line that is the diameter of the circle. So we are supposed to draw a ring which is the diameter of the circle. So now we already know, let's say this is the circle and this is the diameter. So if we form a triangle using this diameter, the angle on the circumference should be 90 degree, right? Angle on the circumference should be 90 degree. Now guys, as you can see, angle on these two circumference are 85 and 85. So this is not the right angle triangle. Here we have 94. 94 plus 6 is 100. 100. So this is going to be 80. So this is also not the right angle triangle. Now see, this is 82, 8. 82 and it is 90. So obviously this is 90 degree. So the angle, sorry, the side opposite to 90 degree is my diameter. So my diameter is DE. So the diameter is DE, right? Next question. F is a common factor of 14 and 28. M is a common multiple of 10 and 25. P is a prime number. Okay. Work out the largest possible value of F upon MP. So we want to find out the largest possible value of F divided by MP. So in order to have the largest possible value, the numerator should be highest and the denominator should be lowest, right? So lesser the denominator, higher will be the value, right? So F is common factor of 14 and 28. So which is the highest common factor of 14 and 20? I think 14 is the highest common factor because we know 14 twos is 28. So we'll take F as 14. M is a common multiple of 10 and 25. So what is the least common multiple of 10 and 25? I think it is 50, right? Because 25 twos is 50, 10 fives is also 50. So we'll take M as 50 and P is a prime number. So the smallest possible prime number is 2. So P is 2. So 14 upon 50 into 2, which is 14 upon 100. 14 upon 100 is, I think, 0.14. So the answer is 0.14, right? Let us move to the next question. Factorize completely. Okay, so we are supposed to completely factorize. I think we can take 18 and 27. 9 is the common multiple. So let us take 9 common. And I think P is also common. So we'll be left with 2x minus 3, right? P common, 9p common, 2x minus 3. Next, we have mt minus n minus m plus nt. So guys, I think what we are supposed to do here is we'll have to rearrange, as I don't think there is any common factor between these two terms. So let me just rearrange this. Let me write this as mt minus m minus n plus nt, right? So if I take m common, I have t minus 1, and from here if I take n common, I have minus 1 plus t, right? So again minus 1 plus t minus 1 plus t I can take common, so I'll be left with t minus 1 and m plus n, right? Next, find the nth term of this sequence. Okay, we are supposed to find the nth term of the sequence. So first let me find the difference. The difference is 17 minus 8 is, if I'm not wrong, it should be 9. Yes, this difference is 9. Here the difference is 32 minus 17 is 15. So okay, just let me write the difference here. Here the difference is 9. Here it is of 15. This seems to be of 21 and this is of 27. Yes. So now 6 and 6. So now the common difference which we have is 6, right? But when did we get the common difference? When we subtracted second time, right? So the general formula when we get the same difference in second time is an square plus bn plus c, right? Now we'll have to compare this with 2a. We'll have to compare 6 with 2a, 9 with 3a plus b, and 8 with a plus b plus c, right? So we have 2a is equals to 6, therefore a is 3. 3a plus b is equals to 9, so we have 3 into 3 plus b equals to 9. So 3 into 3 is 3 into 3 is 9, right? So b is 0. So we have b as 0 and a plus b plus c is 8. So we have 3 plus 0 plus c equals to 8. So from here I can say c is 5. So the final answer is 3n square plus 5. 3n square plus 5. Let me substitute n as 1. So we have 1 square is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Let me substitute n as 2. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Yes, this works absolutely fine. Next, factorize. Okay, so let me factorize. So if I bring 4x here and minus 3 here, so I have 8x more than equals to 16, x more than equals to 2. So we have x more than equals to 2. Next question. Question number 16. Abdul, draw the speed time graph of a journey. The graph has 4 sections A, B, C and D. Okay. So if we observe the sections, we can see section A, the speed is increasing. This is a speed time graph, speed is increasing. So it seems like a uniform acceleration. Then Abdul is traveling at a constant speed. Then we see there is a decrease in speed, right? So this is uniform deceleration. And here the time is decreasing. Now this is not possible, right? Because time is supposed to increase. From 100, the time is reducing, right? So this seems to be some mistake in this graph. So, okay, we have question. Section dash cannot be correct, so D cannot be correct. Section dash shows constant speed. I think B shows constant speed. Dash shows constant deceleration. C shows constant deceleration. Next, section A shows the acceleration. So we are supposed to find acceleration. Let us first check the units. The units are meter per second and meter second. So the units are same. So no need to convert. Acceleration is change in speed upon time. So 10 minus 0 is 0 upon 30. So 10 by 30. So 10 minus 0 upon 30, which is 10 by 30 or 1 by 3. The distance traveled in the first 30 seconds of the journey. Okay. So we know that the area of speed time graph gives us distance. So I think we have supposed to find the distance traveled in the first 30 seconds. So base is 30, height is 10. So half into 30 into 10. So half into 30 into 10. So I think we have 150 meter as the distance traveled in the first 30 seconds of the journey. Next question. Okay. In the triangle ABC, AC is equals to AB. Okay. D is point on BC such that AD is perpendicular to BC. Complete the following statement to show that triangle ACD and ABD are congruent. Okay. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So that angle, I think we have, this is perpendicular, this is 90 degrees. So we have angle ADC equals to angle ADB equals to 90 degree. AC is equals to AB is the given information. Side dash is common to both the triangles. I think AD is common to both the triangles. Side AD is common to both the triangles. The triangles ACD is congruent to ABD because of the criteria, RHS criteria. Because we had one right angle, one hypotenuse and one side as equal. So the criteria followed is RHS criteria. Next, the bearing of B from A is x degree. Okay. The bearing of A from B is y degree. Okay. X is to y is 2 is to 7. Calculate the value of y. Okay. So if this is y, this is going to be 360 minus y. Right. Now we know that x is to y is in the ratio of 2 is to 7. So we can write x as 2a and y as 7a, right? Because they are following the ratio of 2 is to 7. And this is parallel lines. So this is the transversal. So I can say x plus 360 minus y, these two angles should add up to 180. They should be supplementary, right? So x is 2a and y is 7a. X is 2a and y is 2a and y is plus 360 minus 7 equals to 180. We have minus 5a is equals to 180 minus 360. So minus 5a equals to minus 180. A is minus 180 upon, which is 36. So A is 36 degree. And I think we are supposed to find angle Y, right? We are supposed to find angle Y. And Y is 7 times of A. So 36 into 7 is 252. So angle Y is 252 degrees. Next question. If f of minus 5k is equals to 675, find the value of k. Okay, so instead of x we substitute minus 5. So k into minus 5k square is equals to 675. I think we have 25. K cube is equals to 675. K cube as 675 upon 25. 675 upon 25 should be 27. Yes, so k cube is 27, therefore k is cube root of 27, which is 3. Find g of h of x. H of x is 7x minus 2. We'll have to substitute the value of this here. So we have 1 upon 7x minus 2 upon 5. So the answer becomes 5 upon 7x minus 2. Right, 7x minus 2 upon 5. Yes. Next, find h inverse of x plus g of x in its simplest form. So we know h of x is 7x minus 2. 7x minus 2 upon 5. So h of x is 7x minus 2 upon 5. First, let us find its inverse. So y is equals to 7x minus 2 upon 5. Let us swap the values of x and y. So we have x is equals to 7y minus 2 upon 5. So 5x plus 2 upon 7 is equals to y. This is my h inverse of x. So 5x plus 2 by 7 plus g of x. What is the value of g of x? G of x is 3x minus 10x, 3 minus 10x upon 14. So gx is 3 minus 10x upon 14. Guys, we know the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So we multiply this with 2. So we have 10x plus 4 plus 3 minus 10x upon 14. So 10x will get cancelled. We'll have 7 upon 14, which is 1 by 2 as our final answer. 1 by 2 or even 0.5 would do. Next question. The diagram shows square ABCD with the side length k centimeter. MDE is a sector of circle with center D. Okay. E lies on the diagonal BD of the square. Okay. M is the midpoint of AD. M is the midpoint of AD. So if this is K, this is K by 2. Find the percentage of square that is shaded. The percentage of square that is shaded. I think the shaded region is nothing but the region of this square minus region of this small sector. Right. Now, guys, we know that the diagonal bisects angle ADC. So this angle should be 45 degrees. Right. So first let us find the area of sector. Area of sector is theta upon 360. So theta is 45 upon 360 into pi into k by 2 square. So I think which is 45 upon 360 into 4 into pi into k square. This is my sector area, right? Now what is the shaded region? Obviously the shaded area is area of square, which is k square minus area of sector. So now I'm supposed to represent percentage of the square that is shaded. So percentage of square that is shaded is the shaded area upon total area into 100. So the shaded area from here, let me take just 45 upon 360 into 4 into pi k square. Okay, so this is my shaded area. So let me take k square common. So if I take k square common, I'll be left with 1 minus 45 pi upon 360 into 4. This is my shaded area upon as a percentage of total area. So total area is k square into 100. Right, k square will get cancelled. So let me solve this, guys. 45 into pi divided by 360 into 4 1 minus. So the answer is 90.18, or let me write it as 90.2% as the shaded area, percentage of the shaded area. Now next, Neha as a piece of ribbon of length 23 centimeter, correct to nearest centimeter. Nearest centimeter means, guys, 1 centimeter. So divide by 2 is 0.5. Okay. From this ribbon, let's say this is the ribbon. So from this ribbon, she cuts off a piece of wire with length 87 mm. She is cutting piece of wire which length is 87 mm. Correct to nearest mm. Nearest mm means 1 mm. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Find the lower bound and upper bound of the length of the, for the upper bound and lower bound for the length of the remaining ribbon. Right. Okay. So first, the upper bound of ribbon will be 23.5 and lower bound will be 22.5. So now the length of piece of ribbon will be, upper bound will be 87.5 and 86.5. This is in centimeter, this is in mm. I'm supposed to find upper bound of length of the remaining ribbon. So upper bound will obviously be, right, we have to subtract, this is the length of the ribbon. So I'll take upper bound of the length of the ribbon and the smallest possible piece of each length, which is 8.65, which is 8.65, right? Because this is in mm, so upper bound means the highest possible value. When will I get the highest possible value? When the subtraction is, when the the second part is lowest. So 23.5 minus 8.65. So the upper bound is 14.85. So for lower bound, I'll have to take least possible value, which is 22.5 minus 8.75. So 22.5 minus 8.75 is 13.75 is my lower bound, right? Let us move to the next question. Okay, we have simplify. Okay, can I take something common? Yes, I think x is common. So I'll be left with 5 minus x. And this seems like 5 square minus x square. This can be written as 5 square minus x square. So this is a plus b, a minus b. So 5 minus x, 5 plus x will get cancelled. So we have x upon 5 plus x as our final answer. Right? Next, solve the equation. Okay, so let us solve. We have 3 sin x is equals to 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Sin x is equals to minus 2 by 3. X is sine inverse of minus 2 by 3. So sine inverse of minus 2 by 3 is minus, so first answer is minus 41.81. But guys, we know negative answer is not possible because the range is from 0 to 360. Now the negative angle minus 41.81, this means that the angle is measured in clockwise direction. So minus 41.81 is nothing but this angle, right? Now I can write this as right? I can write this as 360 minus 41.81. 360 minus 41.81. So 360 minus, answer is 360 minus 41.81 is 318.19. 318.19. 318.19. And the second answer is sine 180 minus theta, which is 180 minus 41.81. So 180 plus 41.81 is 221.81. 221.81. Next question. Y is inversely proportional to cube of x minus 1. Y is inversely proportional to cube of x minus 1. Okay. When y is 9.45 and x is 3. Find y when x is 4. Okay. So let us remove this sign of proportionality. We have k upon x minus 1 cube. Y is 9.45. So first we'll have to find k, which is 3 minus 1, 2 cube. So k is 9.45 into 8. So 9.45 into 8 is 75.6. So now we are supposed to find y when k is 75.6 and x is 4 minus 1. So 3 cube. So divide by 27. So the answer is y is 2.8. Next question. Okay. So we have, find the value of m. Okay. So we have m power minus 1 by 4. If I bring this m on the left hand side, I can write this as m power minus 1 equals to 27. Right, guys? And we know in division the power gets subtracted. So m minus 1 by 4 minus of minus 1, which is plus 1, is equals to 27. So this is m power 3 by 4 is equals to 27, can also be written as 3 power 3. Now as I am supposed to find the value of m, so I'll have to remove his powers. How to remove this power? Let me take both the sides. Let me multiply the powers with 4 by 3. Let me multiply the powers with 4 by 3. In this way, 4, 4, 3, 3 will get cancelled. This is going to get cancelled. Same way, this is also going to get cancelled. So we'll be left with m is 3 power 4. And I think 3 power 4 is 81. So the value of m is 81. So the value of m is 81. And I think with this, we have completed the paper. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Have a great day.